Tired of spam in your Gravity forms, even with CAPTCHA and Akasmit enabled? In this tutorial, I will show you how to block spam based on specific keywords using the free Gravity Booster plugin. Let's get started. First, log in into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, Add New, and search for Gravity Booster. Install and activate the plugin. Once activated, go to Forms, Booster from the left sidebar. Here you will see list of all your Gravity forms. Select the form you want to protect from spam. Now click on the anti-spam panel and open the restrictions section. Inside this section, you will see a setting called Enable Keyword Filter. Turn it on. Once the filter is enabled, you will see a text box to enter keywords. These are the words or phrases you want to block. Add one keyword or phrase per line. For example, SEO, 100% guaranteed results. Online ranking, the matching is case insensitive. Below the keyword list, you can choose what action to take when a keyword is detected. There are two options: mark as spam, block submission. This stops the form from submitting entirely and shows an error message. You can customize the error message as well. After setting everything up, click Save. Here's an example. Let's say you have been getting messages like, "We offer cheap SEO services with guaranteed results." Just blocking the keyword SEO will stop this and many similar spam messages. So that's how you block spam in Gravity Forms using keyword with the Booster plugin. Try it out and let us know what you think.